Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, as you probably know by now, I love to make really simple, easy, quick dinners that taste great. And today is no exception. I've got a really nice, simple, easy dinner to throw together. It'll take, 15 minutes or so. And it's only using 5 ingredients. It's a really simple, easy chicken curry. You're gonna love it. Let's start cooking it. So these are the ingredients I'm using today. I've got some chicken mince. I'm using this massaman curry paste. Now, you can use whatever curry paste you like. This is just the one that I used before and it tasted pretty good. I got a tin of coconut cream. Oh no, I got the light one. Well, it'll have to do. I got some frozen vegetables and I've got some cabbage. Now, you don't have to use the cabbage, but mate, I've got it. And well, it just gives it a really nice flavour anyway. Now, just a warning for you all. Do not eat this the day before you plan on going for a long plane ride or a bus ride or maybe a long car ride with people that you're unfamiliar with, because that cabbage in this, let's just say it'll get the toots happening and people may not appreciate it, if you know what I mean. So all those ingredients you should be able to find in your local supermarket or have on hand, shouldn't you? Of course you should. Okay, well, let's start cooking. So today I'm just using a saucepan. So it's a 1-pot meal. So into there I'll add some oil. Now I've got this coconut oil. I don't know why I bought it. I don't even use it. But I'm trying to use it up, so I'll use this today. And because it's a coconut dish, it'll probably be good for adding some flavours. Otherwise, just use some vegetable oil or something. And I'm just going to start cooking the chicken. Now, you probably don't even have to cook the chicken first, but I will, because I know someone will be like going, "Ew, yuck, ooh, you're supposed to cook the chicken first," in the comments. But I'll only use about half this packet. I'll save the rest of that for something else. So we'll just brown this chicken off, or white it off. Is that what you call it when you brown chicken? Because it doesn't go brown, does it? It goes white. So we'll white the chicken off. And now once we've done that, time to add the curry paste. Now I did make this before. It was a 195 gram jar. I used half, so about 100 grams worth of curry paste, which is about 4 tablespoons. You can add more or less to your preferred taste, but about the 100 gram mark was pretty good. We'll just mix that through. And you want to fry it for like a minute, just to get those flavours all happening. It opens up the pores in the curry and just lets all those flavours evolve. And once that's happened, grab your tin of coconut cream, full strength if you can get it. Don't know how I chose the light one. I mustn't have been wearing my glasses to the shops that day. Make sure you wear your glasses when you're shopping. So we'll add that in. Stir it through, of course. I'm not going to take it out now and put it through a sieve, am I? No, I'm going to stir it through and mix it all together. Now, before I forget, which is what I normally do when I'm cooking these curries, one thing I love in a curry is some fish sauce. I mean, it just boosts the flavour so well and takes it to the next level. And I love the next level. So, to this, before I forget, I'll add some fish sauce in there. You don't have to, but believe me, if you want to go to the next level, you got to add the fish sauce. Not too much, just like a teaspoon's worth will do. Now I'm just waiting for this to start sort of bubbling and boiling before I add the next ingredient, which is the frozen vegetables. I love using frozen vegetables. It saves so much time and they still taste pretty good. So I'll add in like a couple of handfuls of that, I guess. And a little, it's going everywhere. Maybe a little bit more. Now the frozen veggies take about 10 minutes of boiling to cook. So basically, these are the things that take the longest to cook. You just got to heat those vegetables through and, well, the dinner's ready. But I'm going to add something else to it because I love the flavour. And it's sitting in my fridge just going off anyway. So I need to use it up. But I want to add this. It does add a nice peppery sort of flavour, the old cabbage. So I'll just slice off bits like this. Use as much or as little as you want. I'll just cut it into bite-sized sort of bits. And that's pretty much the only thing we're cutting up today, except for your abs, which will be so ripped after you've been eating this meal. So we'll add this to the mix. It'll probably fill the saucepan up, which is fine. Just do it to the top of the saucepan. I could have even put more in there. So I will, because I can. And now we just stick the lid on. And now we just need to cook that for about the 10-minute mark while those frozen veggies unthaw and cook and the cabbage wilts. How easy is this? And then it's ready. So you go and chuck your rice on because it will be ready before we even know it. So go and cook some rice. I already have because I always plan ahead. And then we'll come back and I'll show you the end product and we'll do a taste test. By the way, I've got the heat set to sort of a medium high because I do want it to sort of really boil and steam. But something else that you might also need to do is throw a little bit more water in. So I just got about 1/4 of a tin of water here, swirled it in my tin to get rid of all the rest of the coconut cream that's off the side. We'll add that to it as well. Now the 5-minute timer just went off and I just wanted to check, make sure it is wilting well. Yep. So we'll just push it down into there. It's doing its job and it's looking good. And lid back on. Alright, well that's 10 minutes up. Oh boy! I'll give it a stir through. Yep, that's looking good. Those vegetables look cooked. But I just want to give it a taste and see if the cabbage is cooked through yet. Well, still needs a few more minutes for that cabbage to cook through, and it needs a bit of salt as well. So I'll add a bit of salt. And I might even add a little bit more fish sauce. I told you I love this stuff. Yeah. So that cooking time will probably be, about 15 minutes maybe. Or until your cabbage is cooked. But if you didn't add the cabbage, then the 10 minutes would be fine. Anyway, how about we plate this up so we can tuck on in for the easy, healthy, simple chicken curry. Taste test. Whoa, boy, that's hot. I mean, how easy was that? Well, there you go, about 5 ingredients. All up, it costs about, $8 for all the ingredients as well. And there's enough food there to feed a whole army. And by army, I mean a small family, not a whole platoon of, guys in uniform. Let's give this a go, huh? Oh, yeah. If somebody served me up this one day for dinner, I'd be asking for the recipe. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you do make it, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next super simple, easy family recipe. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the one-pot curry I made for you today. So easy, you just pour it in and mix it and it's done.